just like we can do the operations on integers, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, we're going to add, subtract, multiply, and divide polynomials. So adding is the simplest, and really we already know how to do it because adding is just exactly the same as collecting the like terms. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm adding 3x squared, so I've shown it with tiles, 3x squared minus 2x plus 5, and I want to add 2x squared minus x plus 5. So if I rewrite my statement, basically getting rid of the brackets, so I'm saying I'm going to take 3x squared minus 2x plus 5, and I'm going to add 2x squared minus 1x plus 5. So same thing, you want to collect your like terms. Okay, so I've got 3x squared and another 2x squared, or if I'm looking at my tiles, I've got these 3 tiles here and 2 tiles here, so I've got 5x squared. Then I've got my x terms, so I've got a negative 2x and a negative 1x, so altogether I've got negative 3x, and then I've got positive 5 and positive 5. So again, the 5 and the 5 here gives me a total of 10. Let's try one more together. So I've got negative 2m plus 3mn minus n squared. I'm going to add 4mn plus 2m plus 3n squared. Now the reason I'm rewriting it without the brackets is just because when I do subtraction, you're going to see that the brackets do matter. But for these guys, let's just start by taking a look at our like terms. So if I work just left to right, do I have any other plain old m terms? There's one. So I've got a negative 2m and a positive 2m. So those go away. Positive 3mn, positive 4mn. So that is positive 7mn. And then I've got a negative n squared and a positive 3n squared. So remember that this is an implied 1. So I've got negative 1 plus 3. So I've got more positives by 2. So plus 2n squared. Okay, if I want to write the expression for the perimeters, remember the perimeter is the distance all of the way around. So if I had, just as an example, if this was 2, 1, 2, 1, I would add it up. So I'd go 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. My perimeter here would be 6. So I'm going to just add up all of the sides. Okay, so you could write an expression. What I prefer to do is honestly just work off of the diagram. So I've got 2n, 4n, 6n, 8n, 11n, and then I look at my numbers, plus 1, another one is 2, and minus 2 gives me 0. So I just have 11n as my perimeter. Okay, you can go ahead and practice some addition now.